Waste management is a critical and under-resourced challenge for African cities, where local governments struggle to secure the funding and capacity needed to achieve sustainable waste management systems.
Only less than 30% is collected, and we find that this waste is not well managed.
Notre défi pour la MARSA, c'est diminuer surtout le déchet organique.
Marking Savagabo does not even have 2% of its budget that goes to waste management.
To address this, ICLEI Africa convened the Strengthening Capacity for Sustainable Waste Management workshop, bringing together local officials and experts to explore practical, innovative solutions. Participants engaged on topics such as financing, behavioral change, effective communication, and project preparation. The highly interactive sessions encouraged peer learning and fostered the exchange of technical and experiential knowledge.
So this workshop has been insightful, and what I'm taking back to my municipality, we have to advocate for coordination and collaboration amongst the technical people and the politicians.
We visited the facility, Cape Town Biogas. One aspect that is there, it calls for really scrutinizing and checking on the quality of waste that gets into such a facility. But we also learned a lot on other aspects of solid waste management and lessons from different presenters, and really giving practical examples of projects that they've worked in.
C'était très formidable d'échanger avec mes amis africains, surtout sur les bonnes pratiques, du compostage par exemple des biodéchets, les techniques du compostage. On a vu du compostage avec des mouches, des lombricompost, ou bien il y a d'autres techniques.
The highlight was the black soldier fly facility, because of course I've known the other technology that utilizes a lot of space and has huge labor requirements.
I've seen the importance of now for us as local governments to do the mapping of our stakeholders involved in our waste management chain at the local level, and to see how we can begin with such local initiatives to support them.
While challenges like poor waste collection, limited funding and insufficient capacity persist, the insights and partnerships forged here represent a vital step forward. Transforming waste systems requires a collective effort, and the cities represented at this event have demonstrated their commitment to driving change. To financiers, your support is crucial to turning these ideas into action. Together we can unlock the potential for cleaner, healthier and more sustainable cities.
This workshop was hosted as part of the Gap Fund Step Up project, launched in 2023 by the Gap Fund Secretariat, which is held by the GIZ and EIB under the City Climate Finance Gap Fund. The Gap Fund Step Up project specifically focuses on helping cities in Africa and South America to advance project ideas into bankable solutions. ICLEI Africa plays a critical role in this initiative by providing tailored support to African cities, with waste management as a critical focus. Initiatives like this workshop empower cities to transform their systems into more resilient and sustainable models. Together, we're enabling cities to lead the way in sustainable waste management.